you're new to my channel, the like button and that notification bell so that you will get an update whenever I upload my videos. So yeah, let's begin. So 3 things shout out will be at the end of the video. So stay tuned to see if your name is a shout out, and let's see if we can get this video to 5 likes. And what else should I ask? I remember. If you want to get a shout out on the next week's video, comment down below your review, suggestions, etc. on my latest video. And you guys have been giving me a lot of ideas. Thank you for that. I really appreciate it. Some of them I might not be able to do, but still, I really want you guys to, oh my god, I just don't know what to say, but I'm just so thankful that you guys are active to me. You guys are giving me the comments, review, suggestions, and thank you, and please keep on doing it. I am very happy that you guys are really active. And what else should I say? Yeah, this video is inspired by Creator Guy, so go check out his channel. So let's begin, shall we? Hey guys, so it's Anne, and right now this is all the things you need. And let me just start first with the cardboard. You need 19.7 into 11.8, 4 pieces of cardboard, which I'm showing right now. Let's set that aside. Okay, now we need 3 cardboard pieces of 11.6 into 10.4. This will be the bottom, middle and the roof. Now we need these 3 small pieces of 7.2 into 6.4, 3 pieces. These will be the stands. I'll tell you what it is. Then you need some A4 sheets. Use some waste paper lying around. That what meaning? I meant it's the meaning. You need a straw. You need glue. You can use any kind of glue. I just used a normal glue. You need a knife, any kind of knife, craft knife. You need a bottle, and also you need a hot glue gun. Okay, you also need the scissors. As you can see, so I did not mention that, but you also need the scissors. So let's begin. So I told you guys we are making the stand, right? So these little pieces are kind of like we are making a stand to just put the bottle up. I'll just explain it to you guys. So first, for sticking this sheets of this cardboard piece, it won't be stable. So you need to do is take a A4 sheet or waste paper like I'm doing, and then stick 50% of it, half of it, which practically means, and then just stick it this way. You can see, like this. You can continue on the another side too. So this is not sturdy or stable. To make it stable, I'm adding tape. And also I forgot to mention that for this activity you need tape, a lot of tape. Or you could just use glue gun, but I like to use tape. Okay, so anyways, now let's do for the other side. We are putting the glue on. And let's just stick, and I'm going to show you guys how it will look, but this piece is going inside, so it does not matter how it looks. You can see it's sticked, and we sticked it. So as you go further and further, it gets harder to do both the sides like this. You need to do stick the top and also the bottom. So you can see I'm going to take another piece, and I'm going to do. You can see right beside me 11.6 into 10.4 piece. It's written. So that piece is actually the top, and this is the bottom. So you need to stick all of them and set them up. And here I have set them up with tape. This is what I was talking about. So you can see it's kind of like a stand where you keep the bottle on. And yeah, now we are going to make the sides. So you basically can see I'm trying to measure it out, that you need to measure the thing. So I'm not good at measuring, so sometimes it might be hard to cut, sometimes it might be not right, but the use here is to kind of after arranging you can cut it out how much you want the size to be. So I'm just going to stick it. This part is actually very tricky, trust me guys. Like you don't know how to keep it because you can't keep it that way, just like landscape way, because it might vary size. um it's like really tricky, trust me guys. And we are just basically trying to stick here, but then I realized a trick just to stick it on my hand. I know this is really hard, but I just kind of measured it up and let it sit up, and then oh my god, it's not sitting. So I'm just going to apply the tape. This might take 2-3 times actually. I am doing right now, like it's like my second or third try to stick it. And then sticking also, sometimes the length won't be right. So you can see here the length is not right, so I'm just going to see if it's, oh yeah, the length is not right. So I'm just going to try if I can redo it by removing the tape somehow. So in remove, I'm just slowly trying to remove. Okay, yeah, this will take a few tries. Definitely, you can see it's taking a lot of time in this part of the video because I don't have proper tools to measure, uh, but oh well. And so yeah, we are just right now. You can see me. I got it. So you can just kind of measure it this way and stick it. So first you have to stick the upper part. Now you have to stick the bottom, which means you take a stripe of tape and basically use the bottom, stick it onto the bottom, I meant. I'm sorry. So we are sticking it onto the bottom right there. Yep, see. Okay, so we have done one side right now. You can see it's sturdy now. If you want you can add a few more pieces of tape, but I did not do so because I felt like that was enough. um because I already had given, later on I will add more pieces of tape to make it secure. So I was pretty sure not just to give it like one piece of tape. So yeah, right now I did all of them so that you guys do not have to wait for me. So you can see I did 3 sides. Now we need the straw and the bottle. We need to fix it. So let's fix it with the hot glue gun, which I will be back. So I will not be back, I meant like which I'll fix and be back. Okay, so I have fixed it and I am back. So basically you can see I fixed the whole with hot glue gun, so you can directly keep it. Why I did not attach the front piece? The reason is because if you attach the front piece it's really hard to just uh, put the bottle and the straw through. Right now it's easy, it is a teeny tiny bit hard. You need to measure to put the front piece on. I measured, I put a hole with a normal thumbtack, and then I made the hole bigger and bigger. So that's how I did for the front cardboard piece. Otherwise you can also attach and do, but the problem is it might not be, see you can see if it was not the front piece was attached, then it would be really hard to I mean insert the straw and the bottle which are fixed. So that's why I'm just kind of seeing, we'll first make the ankle and voila, I did it. And you can see I just measured it out. I sticked it with tape, lots of tape. This is what I was talking about. So then you can just choose the size which you want. And to see the top part, now that's left is the top part. So we are going to see what we can do with the top part. So we cannot remove, you can see right there. So that's what I told, that you would be struggling to remove or put. So I have another circle shape right here, which I'm just going to trace on the side. It's over the side, so let me just make sure that, yep, it's on the side. I'm making it this way. Okay, so that's good. And I'm just going to basically draw a line with a marker. Oh, where's the marker? Oh, okay. One sec. Okay, so I got a marker and let me just open it. Okay, so you need to trace a circle around. basically. Okay, after you have done that, you need to do is just cut it out. Just kind of put a hole, like just stab the freaking cardboard, and basically you create a hole. And now you just cut it. Oh, it's not seeing. I'm sorry that I'm out of the camera. I'm so stupid. I'm so sorry. Anyways, so we just basically cut it, arrange. This might be not the right size, but what you can do is, if you see it's not fitting, then you can cut it more further. So here I'm just cutting out the first circle. Okay, so this is the first circle, and voila, I guess it's almost going to end. It does not need to be perfect, but you can see it fits, but we need to cut it a little more for it to just stay completely on the top. There's a little bit of space between the cardboard, so I'm just going to, this is what I was talking about a little earlier. This is what I was saying, if it was smaller you can cut it. And the circle does not need to be perfect, I guess, for me. But if you want it to be exact perfectly, you can use the box cutter, the cardboard cutter. I don't know what to say for it, but it's box cutter. It's usually known as box cutter. You can see, so I'm just going to fix, and yeah, now it fixed perfectly. I just need to put some tape and I'm back. So here I fixed it with tape, and you can see now I feel like something's missing still. So I know what's missing. I know some decoration is missing. So here are some markers which we can use to decorate. Okay, let's do something. Let's take all of the markers. Oops, all fell down. Well, let's keep all of them there. Some of them here. Some of them once again there and here. And let's put one here, and voila, let's see what happened. Oh my god, we decorated it. These markers are amazing. So anyways, I decorated them with markers. I'm just joking, they did not do it by themselves, I just did those. So I decorated the cardboard, and you can see the top as well as the bottom. So now it's time for water. Okay, so we now have water. So let's fill this it up. So basically, this part is kind of messy. So you need to keep a cloth around. I kept a cloth around, and basically you need to do is you need to put your hand on the straw here, right there. You can see, and then start to pour the water. Start, yeah. This is actually kind of hard because it's the jar is kind of heavy, and you can see me trying to do it for 2-3 times because it's really hard to do both of them together as the jar is really heavy. But then I kind of is getting the hang of it here. So just let's do it really slowly. Let's pour it in. Let me assure you, there will be a little messy. It is getting a little messy, so it will surely get messy. That's why, okay, you can see in my cardboard will become messy, I'm pretty sure, but our cardboard is waterproof. You can see inside, outside, everywhere. We taped, we taped, and we made it waterproof, I hope. It's just the top part and the between part that is not taped. But here we are in right now filling, so make sure this is really necessary. Make sure to put, to close the straw while filling it up. And basically you can see a drop of water fell on my cardboard on the top piece, but don't worry, now you just need to close really tight so that the water don't go out. And basically here, ooh, that's what happens for the first few seconds because it's pressure, because of its pressure. Now you need to clean that up. We can clean that up. You can see a little bit of water fell, like as I told you. It's kind of messy, but oh well, you can clean it up with the cloth. So you can see the straw stays, no more water is coming off, and basically we are back. Okay, it's time for testing. Let's see if this water dispenser test. At the beginning of this video, I said you we will test it out, and in front of you guys, here's the test. Let's see if the water is coming. Let's see, guys. Let's see. Yes, it works. It works perfectly when you open the cap. The water is out, and this is so easy to make. It's so simple. You can see right here. So let me just zoom it. If you guys can see what's up with the water, you can see water's coming out really nice, and it's really fun to see it. Okay, you can see the water is coming off really nice. This is a really fun project to do. I enjoyed doing it, and there are some hard parts, but it was worth the effort. Like, you can watch water coming off and you can drink. I mean, that's so cool. Like, thanks to the creator guy once again. I don't want to say that. I'm saying it for the second time. I think I'm going to say it once more at the end of the video. But okay, so this is summer, and this water, I feel like this water dispenser is necessary. So I guess that's all. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you guys like it. See you guys next time. And one more thing, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're new to my channel, and hit that like button. I told in the earlier, I mean at the beginning of the video, let's see if we can get this video to 5 likes. And yeah, so thanks once again, thanks to the creator guy for showing us this idea. So yeah, I'm so happy that it worked, and I guess that's all. So I guess that's all for this video. Hope you guys like it. See you guys next time. Bye.